Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to remove Thread badge on Instagram profile. First of all, open the Thread app. Click to log in with Instagram. You can see it continuing with Instagram username. Go into its profile. Here you can see an Instagram badge written underneath the name of your account in Thread. Then open the Instagram app. Go into its profile. You can see the Thread badge written underneath the name of your account in Instagram. Click on the badge. You can see the option of Hide Badge. Click on it to hide the badge. When you click on Hide, it asks you to remove the badge from here or cancel. Click on the Remove button, so now the badge is removed from Instagram. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.